Karnataka High Court has pulled up Bommai government for inaction after two people lost their lives because of a transformer blast last week. Chief Justice slammed Karnataka government's lack of seriousness and lackadaisical attitude towards public safety. Bescom MD has been summoned to explain why dangerous transformers that pose a risk to lives have not been moved to safer locations. As per Power Department data, there are 8,000 odd transformers that pose a risk to public safety. A father-daughter duo, 55-year-old Shivraj and 19-year-old Chaitanya, were recently killed in an explosion while passing by a faulty transformer in Bengaluru. Revati is now joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Revati, good evening. Could you bring us up to speed with the key observations of the, Karnataka High Court today in this particular matter?
Good evening. Yes, the Karnataka High Court made certain observations and made remarks on the kind of attitude that Bescom was showing as far as the shifting of these transformers are concerned. Now, this is a public interest litigation, the hearing of which is continuing. The last hearing was in December when the Bescom and BBMP, both of them who were supposed to work on the ground in shifting these transformers, had told the court that there are these many transformers in the city that are on footpath, on roads, basically transformers that are posing a threat to public safety in these locations. Now, the court had asked them to submit an action plan during the next hearing. Now, 3 months later, today when the hearing took place, they did not have any report or progress as far as the work is concerned. They went on to give excuses about tenders, went on to give excuses about the technical issues that they were facing. Even work orders were not issued. A tender was not finalized as to which agency will be involved in shifting of these transformers. Basically, no movement at all, no progress from the time the last hearing was held in December. Now, this is why the Karnataka High Court went on to say that we are not concerned about your tenders or any of your process. We are concerned about what work has been done on the ground, how many transformers have been shifted, if not, why wasn't it done? Because public safety is what is at most important. And the court has now summoned the Bangalore Electricity Supply Company's MD to appear for the next hearing that will happen sometime next week and explain why there has not been any action on the ground. Because the incident last week where two people lost their lives was because of a faulty transformer that was right on the roadside. These two were just passing by, oil spilled on them, the transformer exploded, oil spilled on them, and they died. So another such incident should not take place, before which the Bescom needs to act as something, through with this, the High Court has really pointed out, saying that public safety is what is at most important.